Hi guys, today video topic is garbage collection in Java. To that object, an unused or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of your program. So the memory used by an unreferenced object can be reclaimed. The programmer does not need to mark object to be deleted explicitly. The garbage collection implementation lives in JVM. Types of activities in Java garbage collection. Two types of garbage collection are there in Java. Collection activity usually happen in Java. These are minor or incremental garbage collection. It is said to have occurred when unreachable objects in the young generation heap memory are removed. In garbage collection, major or full garbage collection, it is said to have occurred when the object that survived the minor garbage collection and copied into the old generation or permanent generation heap memory are removed. When compared to the young generation, garbage collection happens less frequency the old generation. And the old generation, important concept related to garbage collection in Java. First is unreachable objects. An object is said to be unreachable if it doesn't contain any reference to it. Also note that objects which are part of the island or isolation are also unreachable. Then second, eligibility for garbage collection. Eligibility are for garbage collection. An object is said to be eligible for GC garbage collection if it is unreachable after I is equal to null integer object 4. If the heap area is suitable for garbage collection in the above image, in the above diagram. Ways to make an object eligible for garbage collector. Even though the programmer is not responsible for destroying useless objects, but it is highly recommended to make an object unreachable, thus eligible for GC if it is no longer required. There are generally 4 ways to make an object eligible for garbage collection: nullifying the reference variable, reassigning the references variable, an object created inside the method, island or isolation ways for requesting JVM to run garbage collector. Thank you.